Hi friends, there are different ways of removing background in Photoshop, but I am going to tell you a most easy way. In this way, what you will do, you will just click on this tool and you here click on select quick selection tool. After that, you will drag your mouse over the object or the image. See where you are dragging your mouse, see your part of the image are selected like this. And see, notice some parts which we are not required because we are going to remove the background, but see this part and between the leg also is selected. What I will do, when you click on any tool, there are some more options appear on the top of the Photoshop, like this is the minus brush and this is the plus brush. When you exclude any part of the object from the selection, you will just click on the minus brush. See, when you will drag your mouse, selection will vanish. See, like this. And between leg also like this, but I want to add the part of the feet, so I will click on plus button and drag over here. Now I will observe once again. If any part is left, we will drag our mouse like this and make a part of our selection. See, here are some parts which we are not required, like this. So I will click on minus brush and then drag my mouse over here, and this is also here is the little part. So it is selected, then on one click background will vanish. See, when you will click on this mask button, see, background is vanished. In this way you can also remove any background of your image. And if you want to learn more about Photoshop, keep watching my videos. Till then, Allah Hafiz.